and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni. Let's look at today's top health highlights. 18 kids' deaths in Uzbekistan linked to cough syrup made in Noida. India on Tuesday launched an inquiry into a Noida-based drugs manufacturer after deaths of 18 children in Uzbekistan were linked to a syrup the firm made, according to people familiar with the matter. The State Security Service of the Central Asian nation announced it had started a criminal probe in the matter, reported the SSS press service on Tuesday, after several children who took Doc 1 Max tablets and syrup made by Marion Biotech. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.